Hi, today I'm making a wooden laser cut purse. I'm using 1/8-inch plywood. First, apply a thin layer of glue to the back panel and line it with the front panel. Do this twice to create a front and back of the purse. The side with the notches will hold the thin slats in between. When the glue is dry, sand any squeezed out. I use a small nail file. Now it's time to glue the slats. At first I use super glue, but I advise you to use wood glue instead. Once you glue a few, use something to prop up your purse while you glue the other side. Continue to glue the slats around the purse. Then glue the slats with the holes on each end. When the glue is dry, feed a 1/2-inch thick rope through the holes and tie a knot. Repeat on the other side. The rope length is entirely up to you. Once the knots are made, you're done. Your purse is ready to be worn.